Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to create custom crew emblem in GTA 5 online. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So right now, as you can see, we are on the site called Rockstar Games, which is an official web platform for downloading the launcher for GTA Online. So if you do not have that, you make sure you have downloaded your launcher. And also you can see we are on the social club or the rockstargames.com, and in here you need to firstly make an account. So make sure that you are logged in or signed up, or then you need to be heading over to this crew section. So you can see you have this crew at the very second place after games. Let me show you as well. And under that, when you click on crew, you will have this option of emblem editor. So you can see in here emblem editor, simply head over to that, and once you do, you can see it is giving a prompt to view the tutorial, or you can simply close it as it is pretty much straightforward. You can see it is giving us some suggestions, but I would recommend you to head over to a website, something like gtalogo.com, where you can find all of these great emblems for your crew, and you can select any of these. Like for example, I can select this weird looking face, a yellow face, and click on that, and now we have this option to copy to clipboard. You can see the emblem there as well. Click on copy to clipboard, and now head back to your Rockstar game section, and here press F12 on your keyboard, which will be opening the developers options. And then let me just set it back. So then what we are going to be doing is simply head over to your console section, and here you're going to be simply pasting it and press enter. You will be able to see that our emblem is now pasted in here. Simply close your developer options, and once you do, you can see your emblem is pretty much ready. Click on the save option here, and once you do, you can see you can save this, and click on save. After a couple of moments, it will be saved, and now you have this option to publish. So simply click on publish, and you can see it is giving us a prompt. It is giving us a prompt since I haven't joined any crew, but you can simply publish it, and that's how you can get a custom emblem for your crew. So that was a pretty easy process on how you can do so. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.